Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad Ali and my registration number is 25DDT19F2042. Today I want to present about PBT problem based task 2 for subject scaling network. So first, this is our topic 2.2, perform first hop redundancy protocol for gateway redundancy. The objective, as we can see here, part 1 is design and build the network. Part 2, configure the basic configuration. Part 3, configure FHRP. And part 4, test the configuration. And part 5 is demonstrate configuration testing. So the required resource is 3 router, minimum 2 switch, 2 workstation, console cable, internet, serious cable. So we jump to the part 1, design and build network diagram and addressing table. So this is my network diagram, logical topology. So here we can see we got 3 router, 2 switch, and 3 PC workstation. And also this is my addressing table for this topology here. First we got device R1, R2, and R3, and switch 1, switch 2, PCA, BC. This is the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1.10, 2099, and serial port 0/0/0. So here is my IP address for this topology diagram that I have calculated before. So this is the result for my addressing table IP address. So next, we move to question is part 2, configure basic config, AC config. First, we open router that I config. So the password is Cisco. Configuration is secret. Password is class. Okay, so as we can see here, the banner MOTD has appeared here. Assign password, the password Cisco, and the number secret is password is class, and also the host name I changed to R2. Same also to R1. R1, the password is Cisco. The secret password is class, and the host name is I changed to R1, and the banner MOTD is as here. For the R3, same goes to R3. The password is Cisco. Password is class. Okay, host name here R3, and the banner MOTD appear. So next step, we go to show IP interface brief. As we can see here, for gigabit Ethernet 0/1.10/2099 has assigned the IP address successfully. Also for the serial port, serial 0/0/1 that I have signed the IP has successfully. We go to the switch. The command show VLAN. This is the VLAN. Status is active. So my VLAN name for switch 1 is VLAN 10 is stuff. VLAN 20 JTMK and also VLAN 99 is management. The status for 3 VLAN data of VLAN is active here. Also for the fish drum, is the command show interface drum. Okay, as we can see here, for the port fast internet, the status mode is trunking for fast internet 0/1 and 0/5 on switch 1 that is successfully. So next, we want to check the remote SSH. Show IP, the command show IP SSH. So as we can see here, remote for SSH is enabled. So next, ping connection for open PCA and command prompt. IP for R1. Okay, get reply. So successful for SSH and IP R1. R1. Check for IP R1. Successful. Okay, password is admin. Okay, as we can see here for R1 has successfully for SSH. So next, for as I said, for router 2, the command SSH. So is admin. So you can see here the SSH is for R2, router 3. SSH. So this admin. Okay, for R3 also for SSH successfully. Switch 1. SSH for switch 1. SSH type the command admin and the switch to IP. Password is admin. Also, we got here, as we can see, the SSH is successfully for switch to. Okay, the SSH command and enter the switch 1 IP address. The password. Also, you can we see here S1 SSH for S1 is successful. So next I want to show IP route. So here, as we connect successfully for gigabit internet 0/1.10 and also 0/1.20 directly connected for R3. Show IP gigabit internet 0/1.10 is connected successfully. Also for 0/1.20 directly connected. Next question is part 3, configure FHRP and HSRP. So we check the HSRP, FHRP. Show the command show standby. As we can see here, the gigabit 1.10 state is active. Virtual IP is 10.123.19.62, and also the preemption is enabled. Yes, the priority is 150. Yeah, for gigabit internet 1.20, the state is standby. Virtual IP address is 123.19.126. So the preemption is disabled. So priority is 100. Show standby brief. Okay, this is so we can see all that I mentioned before. 4 gigabit priority, 150 and 100. The state is active and the other is standby. And the active is virtual IP for gigabit 0/1.20, I think. And for the standby 0/1.10. So HSRP for router 1 is complete, successful. Next we go to router 2. So standby. Okay, as we can see for router 3, gigabit internet 0/1.10. The state is standby. Virtual IP is 10.123.19.62, and the preemption is disabled. And priority is 100. For gigabit 0/1.20 is the state is active, and the virtual IP is 10.123.19.126, and the preemption is enabled, and the priority is 150. So okay, this is the FHRP for R3 router 3. As you can see here, the gigabit 0/1.10 is the priority is 100. The state is standby. The virtual IP is 62, and for the next gigabit is the priority is 150, and the virtual IP is 126. So the cable in the topology here. See switch 1 and switch 2. Switch 1 and switch 2 is connected each other. And VLAN 10 and 20 is connected to each other. So if we cut the cable here, the VLAN 10 can go through to switch 1, R1 and R3 and then to PCB. So for the next step, part 4, test configuration, basic config FHRP, communicate with workstation. Okay, what we must do, ping each other PC. Let's open the desktop and command prompt. Open the command prompt. So open the so this is PCA. I want to ping PCB. So enter the PCB IP 19.132. Okay, connected successfully. And ping for PCC. Enter the IP for PCC. Okay, 70. Also, we get here connected successfully. And then ping T for PCB. Let's see that's successful or not. I'm sorry. 132. Okay, connected successfully. Looping until we exit. Okay. For PCC, PCC, let's say we want to ping PCA into IP of PCA 10. Okay, reply successfully. And next is PCB. Enter the IP of PCB 19.132. Okay, connected successfully. Okay, so that's all from me for the chapter. For the topic, perform first hop redundancy protocol for gateway redundancy. Okay, for PBT2. Thank you.